We've explored forecasting, analysis, and report generation. But what if all of this could happen automatically? That's where AI agent steps in. AI agent continuously works in the background, helping you generate reports, update analysis, and monitor competitors without manual effort. Let's start with reports. Simply define a topic, add your instructions, and choose when the task should run. You can run it immediately, schedule it for a specific date, or receive updates automatically every week or month. As your data changes, AI agent automatically refreshes the report with the latest information. That means less manual work and no risk of making decisions based on stale data. The same applies to analysis. Instead of manually rerunning forecasts and analysis, AI agent monitors your data and updates the results whenever the new information becomes available. And finally, competitor research. Just enter the company you'd like to analyze, along with optional details such as a website or research focus, and then AI agent gathers publicly available information, identifies competitors, and generates a comparison report automatically. You can also run it immediately or schedule it to refresh weekly, monthly, or on any schedule that fits your workflow. With AI agent, reporting, forecasting, competitor monitoring become continuous processes, not one-time tasks. Set it up once and let Electe handle the repetitive manual work for you.